pencil and some paper.
Dum 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 dum. SpongeBob, what the Hey, sweetie, I love you. I'm just doing that laundry.
Oh shit, what the fuck is he doing?
Yes, I love you. And I wrote a very gay paper. I can make you say gay all day.
Get the fuck out of here, bitch. I'm gonna kill your ass if beep. Oh shit, oh fuck you all bitches. Oh shit, no.
Hey, sweetie, I'm trying to kill you. Oh shit, it was just me, bitch.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Nothing much. It's just that I'm very scary. Well, I'm very, very scared of Gary. He sucked my dick one time and I didn't like it. It felt good.
It felt so good. Why did it feel good?
Because it felt good. And I love it. Now he needs to do it again.
Well, I'm sure he'll do it again anytime.